this video, I'm going to show you how to hide friends on Facebook. For some reason, you want to hide all your friends list on Facebook, or better still, you want to hide your mutual friends on Facebook, but you don't know how. I'm going to provide you with a quick guide on how to get it done. On your Facebook app, navigate to your profile icon on the top right corner and click there. Proceed to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy and click there. Then you have to continue to select settings. And the settings, scroll down till you locate audience and visibility. Among the list of menus here, proceed to select how people can find and contact you. Then from the list of options here, proceed to select who can see your friends list and click there. Then you have the bunch of options here, whether you want to set it public or friends. In my case, mine is currently only for friends. If I want to hide entirely my friends list, I'll proceed to click on see more. Then I'll navigate and click on only me. After selecting on only me, all my friends lists and any of my mutual friends will be hidden from the public. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.